Load your family into the 2007 Lincoln Navigator. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include leather upholstery, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, skid plates, power windows, remote keyless entry, an overhead console, and air conditioning. Lincoln ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.